Hello guys, Dark Shadow Gaming here, and today we're playing some more Mineplex again. I fixed the thing with the background noises a little bit, but we're gonna play some one of those the Cake Wars or Sky Wars. Cake Wars or Sky Wars? Cake Wars, yeah. Okay. Ah, come on. What are these advertisements always? Okay, so it's gonna start soon. I'm on the red team, seems like. 2, 1, blast off! Okay, so let's see. This is a nice map. Is there anything in there? No. Just always checking in there, because I tend to put stuff in the chests so I don't lose them. But what is he doing? Is he just trying to mine that stuff? Hello? I can mine, but it keeps reappearing. Can I have some? Can I just have some? Please get out of my way so I can have some. Thank you. Okay, that should be enough to buy me some wool. I'm gonna circle that around our cake, so it's not eaten. Okay, got 32 wool. I think that should be enough. Let's go. So I still have some more. That wasn't a lot, but he's already surrounding it with endstone. That's good. So it won't be destroyed anytime soon. Okay. Just gonna surround it. Let's go. We should have bought some obsidian for this. Well, we might later, but now we can't put it in the core because that's already filled with endstone. Okay. What? No, I hate these advertisements. Now it's gonna have to load again. I'm wasting my playtime. Okay, I'm back in, good. Brick shop. Okay, there's no TNT in here though. I want the TNT for later, right? Well, okay, there it is, but just build out. Oh wait, he's already building back there. I'll just go over to him then. A new floating island has spawned, okay. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! Oh, now he's building a trail down there. What are you trying to do? Oh, they can't go over it. That's a good idea. Where are we going now? Am I going to die? I don't want to die with all this wool. He pushed me off. I swear, I did not move. He pushed me off. Who was that? To get my revenge at some point. And I had 40 wool. Come on, that's just a waste. Well, I guess I can buy more. Oh yeah. Can definitely buy more. And as I said in my Master Builders video, be sure to check that out and don't be annoyed by the background noises. But as I said there, I'm kind of sick right now. So, yeah. Okay, that should be enough wool. Yep. Just gonna put my emeralds in there. Ooh, more emeralds. I'm gonna try to buy those TNT so I can bomb the other ones. From up there. So let's go. Oh wait, what's that? There. I just saw ender pearl particles. Where did the... Is there anybody here? We're just gonna build over to that island. Oh, I build such slowly. Okay, that should be enough. I'm just gonna hop on. Ooh, yellow owns it. I'm kind of scared now. Run! Get it fast! Why does it take so long? Yes! Captured it. Oh shoot, it's a yellow person. Hello, I'm just gonna mine all of that so they can't get past anymore. Also to waste their blocks, of course. They just paid for that stuff. Green has lost an emerald point. Well, that's good. Blue. What is this? Okay. I'm just gonna mine all of that. I like how it inverts the colors when you mine stuff. Like inverts the colors of it. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna die so I can get back to my base. Red has, come on, I'm going back there now. Okay. There we go. Let's go over here. Woohoo! I think I'm gonna take back that point. Yeah, take it back. Oh, no. Wait until he leaves. Oh, shoot. Did someone just hurt me or was that me falling? Ooh, red just captured an emerald point too. And now we're going to capture another one. That's good. Okay. I'm going to destroy their trail again. Yes, die, trail. There we go. Okay. What am I doing? Okay. Run. I think someone attacked me. No, and yellow got their middle point back. I didn't see that. Yellow has lost the middle point. Red captured it again. But how'd they get back there? How the heck did they get back there? Okay, whatever. Just go back to my base. Okay. Why are they all hogging all the emeralds and all that? Stop just standing there. Get into the action. I need some emeralds to buy TNT. Oh, they're so stupid. Hello? Still only have 5 emeralds. I need 15 to buy the TNT trap. Okay. Ooh, but I got some nether stars. I already have 12 diamonds now. Only 3 more. I mean emeralds. Let's go again. Why do they always conquer the middle point? How did they conquer? Can they even get past there? How? There's a person on this island. Aha. Got it back. Just gonna cut it out a little more so they can't pass. Oh, shoot. Shoot, who's attacking me? Ah, it's him. Oh, he was there the whole time, wasn't he? Okay, yellow has captured the middle point. Stop hogging it, you stupid person. Okay, there we go. What's over on that side? I can't go past that wall. I can go there though. Where does this lead to? Ah, come on. Oh! No, he has a diamond sword. He has a diamond. Run. Run! Okay. Why do you keep hogging all the emeralds? It's just stupid. Hello? Please give me some of your emeralds. Emeraldies. Maybe there aren't any anymore and he's just holding some. Maybe I need to conquer back the bases in the middle. Yeah, let's do that again. Green has lost. Aw, Green, why you do this? Green, you already killed me once. Give me that middle point. They're building a bridge too, huh? Naughty boys. I'm just gonna kill all of that. They definitely can't get past here. Okay, there we go. I'm very bad at these mini games. We're probably gonna lose, but I captured it. Can I get the green somehow? Just gonna try to jump there. Let's go. Okay, that didn't. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Someone please kill me. I'm freaking stuck. Ah! God help me. Ah! Okay. Did I just suffocate? I think I did. Another star. Okay. Oh, this island will disappear in like 13 seconds. I think that's what it said. Just run. Oh, no, no, no. Please, no. Yellow. Stop. At least our cake wasn't destroyed. Can I finally buy that TNT? Oh, where'd I... Oh, I jumped off. Green has captured the middle point once again. Please don't capture that middle point. Oh, I just saw an explosion. I'm just gonna take that real fast, if that's okay. Give me that. Oh my gosh. Is there a base? I'm gonna make a run for it. No, 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 please don't kill me. Their cake was like unprotected. Okay, we got some emeralds. I think we have, no, we need one more. One, okay, there. Oh, look, somebody put more in. I'll just take all of those. Sorry for stealing. Okay, let's just purchase the TNT so I can throw them on other people's heads. There we go. What? Where's... Oh, it's the TNT trap. It just sets the trap in our base. Oh, come on. I wasted all my emeralds. At least I still have 10. And what could I buy with these? Okay, I need some more nether stars. That's only 3. Ooh, but I have enough for that poly TNT now. I'll just look at the nether star thing though. Never mind. So it was the TNT poly, huh? So I don't want to waste my TNT poly. Let's go. I wonder what the nether stars are like. Oh, I got more nether stars again. People tend to donate. Let's see if I can buy anything with them. Sharpness, I think. Yeah. Wait, my nether stars don't disappear? Oh, that is epic. I don't have to, I can just pay for all of them. Woohoo! Are there other ones that I can pay for? Haste one. The question is, do we have that now? Protect the cake at all costs. Okay, let's go. I want to bomb some bases. There's no one at the green house right now. Just gonna try and get there. Kill the cake. Okay. Wait, what? Where's the cake? Where's the cake? Where the heck is the cake? It still says tap to eat. That's just weird. Did they make it invisible? Hello? I guess it was already killed. Okay, I'll just go back then. Oh shoot, no. Run. Run! Oh, I still can. Gotta run while I still can. Ah, no! At least, come on. Our cake was destroyed. Then I guess that'll be all for today. Going back to the Mineplex thing. Comment below if you want more Mineplex. And Darkest Shadow Gaming is now out. Peace out.